So, box came while I was away. Pretty sure I know what's in it. What the heck? Why not do quick unboxing, because why not? Nice. This is exactly what I thought it was. The QSP Penguin. Now this was my for a little while this was my grail knife. It's not an expensive knife, it's just hard to get a hold of. I think I paid only about 30 some odd bucks. Just less than 30 bucks before shipping. US. But it was just out of stock everywhere. I missed the boat with the drop. Oh man. Oh, that's amazing. Wow. Oh man. I'm just completely in awe, honestly. First knife with micarta. I went for the blue jean micarta because I don't know, I just quite liked it. It's a tiny bit grayer than they showed in photos, but I'm sure as that wears in and oil from my fingers, it's going to darken right up. I look forward to seeing how this works out. Sheepsfoot's blade. Drop shuttiness right out of the box. Oh man. Very comfortable to hold. Right size for my hands, like perfect fit, honestly. Really nice. Absolutely excellent. D2 steel, which I think is a step above what I've had in the past. Not a large step. This was my one before. And this is 14C28N. So I don't know how much of a difference I really get. I know that this D2 is less of a, isn't quite a true stainless, in my understanding. So I honestly don't know how much of a step up it is steel-wise, but for 30 bucks, honestly. Still very difficult to get a hold of. Because right after I bought this, just a few days later, it went out of stock again. I don't know, it took a few weeks to get to me. But that's fair in certain, with the conditions of the road right now. One thing I will pull up White Mountain Knives, where I bought this from however, is the fact that they sent out the email inviting you to review the knife before the knife had gotten to me. Which meant that, you know, for a little while there I was thinking, you know, oh dear, is this supposed to have been already have gotten to me? Is this going to be lost? But nope, got me just fine. It's probably going to be my new everyday carry. So, cheerio.